What's your name?
My name is Adhar Akhtar.
Please tell us about our country.
Our country name is Bangladesh and we love Bangladesh. Our Prime Minister name is Sheikh Hasina, and the Bangladesh is Sweden in 1971, and we love Bangladesh, and I am proud of I am a Bangladeshi man. Thank you.
Do you know about freedom fighter?
No.
Do you know about our capital city?
Yes. Dhaka.
Capital city Dhaka. Please tell us about capital city.
Our capital city is Dhaka, and we love Dhaka. I live in Dhaka, and they are live in Dhaka, and we love Dhaka. Yes. Thank you.
What class do you reading?
I read in class 2.